To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell and you'll be notified of new videos as they are produced. Hey everybody, and welcome to Sydney, Australia. Land of koalas, boomerangs, and what's that? Sorry, Sydney, Nova Scotia, not Australia. Oops. So when you think of Sydney, Nova Scotia, what do you think of? Why, the world's largest fiddle, of course. This thing is huge. It's over 50 feet tall and is made of steel. If you want to hear some good old-fashioned fiddle music, just stick around here and listen. Another thing to see in Sydney is the St. Patrick's Church Museum. They're about to sing the chorus to the unofficial anthem of Cape Breton called The Island. Let's all join in.
We're an island. We are an island, a rock in a stream. We're people. We are a people as proud as sin's been. Soft summer breeze, soft summer breeze, soaring wilder with the home of our heart, home of our hearts, Cape Breton.
So that's about it for Sydney. There's lots more to see here, but that's all we had time for. Next stop, Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. Just thought I'd point out that on the way from Sydney to Charlottetown, I saw this fly that was sitting on the deck, and that thing must have been well over a half an inch long. It was really windy out there, so I hope we made it okay. Hi everybody, today we're in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. And we just got off the boat. We're going to be going on a double-decker bus, and we're going to be taking a tour. So we'll be heading out to the bus in a few minutes. So we'll see you there. One place we stopped at was Beaconsfield, this beautifully restored Victorian mansion. It was built by James Peake Jr. in about 1877. When it was built, it was considered to be the most opulent house in the city, if not the entire island. It has 25 rooms, 8 fireplaces, and cost $50,000, about $2.5 million in today's dollars. In just 6 short years, the Peakes lost everything due to a recession in 1880. Since then, the house has served as a YMCA and a residence for nursing students. In 1973, it was restored and officially opened as a historical museum. Another place we stopped at was Government House, also known as Fanning Bank. This ginormous house is the official residence of the Lieutenant Governor of Prince Edward Island. It's open for free guided tours from July to the end of August. The grounds are open daily and the admission is also free. We had to go under a couple of bridges on our way from Prince Edward Island to Quebec City. The captain told us that they have to go at low tide, and the clearance from between the top of the ship and the bottom of the bridge is only about 6 feet. So everybody got up on the top deck to watch to see if we were going to hit it or not. It was really awesome.